Hi everyone, I am Bella Crispino. I'm the Marketing and Creative Services Manager for the Daytona Tortugas, and I have a question for MOAS. How long does it take to devise and install a full exhibit?
Hi, I'm Zach Zacharias. I'm the Senior Curator of Education and History at the Museum of Arts and Sciences. Just like in baseball, creating a new exhibit at the museum is a team effort. Usually somebody has a big idea about a possible exhibit. It could be art, science, history, or a combination of all three. We'll schedule a brainstorming meeting and we'll discuss the feasibility of putting together a particular type of exhibit. A single curator is selected for oversight of the project, and then that curator will develop an outline. When we develop a new exhibit, obviously we have to do a lot of research. We try to find reliable information, original source material, and sometimes we'll even consult with other experts like the Smithsonian Institution. We create a list of objects that we want for the exhibition, and sometimes to fill in the gaps, we'll borrow objects from other museums. We create a museum budget, we write the text panels and the labels, and we divide that task up amongst the staff, and that whole process takes about a year. Installation is the next phase. Once the exhibit space becomes available, we try to set up the objects 4 to 7 days in advance of the opening. Again, this is a team effort, usually involving 3 to 5 different staff members. The last phase is the education department. That's where we come up with programming, curriculum, and presentations. Most accredited museums, like the Museum of Arts and Sciences, have a 5-year exhibition schedule. It's sort of like a working document. Our end goal is to create an experience for the visitor that is both entertaining and educational.